ओके रहता है,
राइट।
नितिन लोगों का सही था क्योंकि उन लोग को उनको ये जान नहीं मिला होगा।
वेलकम टू गूगल, वेलकम टू गूगल।
Factors of 3 to 4 in each of these layers, and so there's a multiplicative effect, and there's also learning. And you know what I'm waiting for actually is if it.
Curious how you think about that piece specifically with Gen AI. In my own experience building agents for myself has been it's pretty hard still to zero shot these things. Like they're really, really good when you can give them feedback quickly.
To see a man of such accomplishment as Amin and the graciousness and inclusiveness of his added
rushing to patent certain technologies. And the way Tim Berners-Lee at CERN and then at MIT
But really just to say, you know, we connected its movements to...
कैसे चल रहा है ह्यूमनॉइड के? हाँ, दोस्ती कर ली है ह्यूमनॉइड के साथ में अभी। क्या कैसा फील हो रहा है गूगल आके? मतलब गूगल कभी वैसे नहीं आ पाया पर वो तो ऑनलाइन सुन रहा था, मुझे लगा आएगा इन पर्सन। सर एक सर क्या पूरा एजेंटिक सिस्टम तुम्हारे कैसे आएगा? How will it act?
new intellectual and commercial endeavors. All right, let me turn this over to the folks, to Sanjar and.
Hey guys, my name is Sanjar. I'm a founder of Humanola. So we provide remote teleoperation technology for robots. We support different kinds of humanoid robots and robotic.
In robot form, I wish I could have been there in meat body form, but I was summoned for Massachusetts jury duty, so I'm joining you from Massachusetts.
Perfect.
Hi, Alex.
Hello, nice to be shaking hands with you.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise, it's like we've never met, Lisa.
It's like we've never met.
I'll wave hi to everyone. Wave hi with my other hand. Maybe a day long.
Yeah.
I think Navier Stokes and so on is kind of old news. It's not about solving existing problem. You have to create new problems that we don't even know exist.
Totally agree. So maybe we don't have to wait until next year for Navier Stokes to be solved.
Yeah. I think that's that's coming to a cliff. But what do you think are the problems that humanity hasn't even thought about solving yet?
Well, I think we're about to see a solution to math, arguably by the end of this year, global solution to math in the sense that most outstanding open problems in math.
He is not back in anymore. That's what's cool about this moment we're in. And that's why this is a really super important panel. We got some super important people. You know, we're talking about...
shift, it will change every job, everything that we do. And there is an opportunity for us to play a role as this happens.
I was only testing to see if you paid attention to it, but anyway, so okay. Introduce yourself, sir.
Hi, I'm Garen.
So seeing that reality before the rest of you have gotten that excited about it, and knowing that you will all be that excited 12, 18 months from now, that's an example for you.